Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to play RE4 on Android. Install a compatible emulator and copy legally owned game files to your device immediately. Configure storage permissions and verify game image integrity. Adjust graphics backend to Vulkan or OpenGLES for better performance depending on your device. Use an external controller or map touch controls for precision. Monitor temperature and frame pacing while testing levels and settings for a smooth experience. In this video, I will explain how to play RE4 on Android. First, install a trusted emulator and grant storage permissions. Transfer your legally owned game image to internal storage or an SD card and confirm the file matches checksums. Use the emulator import feature to detect the game and set the path. If needed, extract compressed archives and keep backups. Avoid pirated files to prevent crashes and legal issues. In this video, I will review how to play RE4 on Android. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite makes reading game manuals, walkthroughs, and patch notes comfortable anywhere with long battery life and adjustable light. It's a handy companion between loading screens and saves. If you want one or other deals, please check the description for the link and extra offers. If this content helps, subscribe and like the video. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you play RE4 on Android. Open emulator settings and choose Vulkan for performance or OpenGLES if Vulkan causes issues. Set internal resolution scaling to match your device capability and enable frame limit to stabilize performance. Tweak texture and shader cache settings to reduce stutters. Map gamepad buttons or customize touch layouts for comfort. Save multiple profiles so you can switch settings for battery or quality quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.